Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, subscribe, and if you have any kind of a doubt related, please do comment below. I'll check that. And also there is a disclaimer that if you found my videos a little slow, you can check it on 2x or 3x speed as per your requirements. And also if you have any kind of a suggestion, you can follow me and you can share in the comment box. Okay, so let's start the video, right? Today we will see some concepts related to if else condition. So we will see how to apply if else conditions, right? So basically we will start with some uh, you know basic things like taking prompt from user, and then we'll put some conditions on that. Okay, so firstly I'll go with the sum condition. Okay, so how to do sum of two digits, right? Or not like sum of if I want sum of let's say like I've given some numbers, I've given random numbers, right, as a prompt. So let's say I've given 5, right, and I want sum from 0 to 5. Okay, so how I get that? So we'll see that. So firstly and foremostly we will take prompt. Okay, so const, I'm using const, and prompt input. Okay, and I'm taking prompt, right? mm, Type some, type any number. Okay, type any number. So yes, I've taken this prompt. So first we will run the this thing, open with live server, and it's asking type any number, right? I'm typing any number here. Let's say I've typed 80. Okay, oh, it's, I think it's coming two times, huh? I think I've already taken, see this one, so it's running this one, so I'll comment it out. hmm? And if I type 80, so it's coming one time, see. So nothing will come it here on the console. If I refresh this, nothing will come. Okay, so for this I have to do this thing consoles. So let's say we will not store this value anywhere. First we will see prompt is what kind of a value. Okay, so I'll console this one, console, and we'll see what kind of value will prompt return. Okay, so if I'm doing this thing cancel, so it will return null. Okay, keep this thing in mind. It will be so much helpful in further things, so please keep this thing in mind. So see, I've console this prompt and it's giving null when I cancel the prompt. Okay, okay, let's see. I'm doing command Z, and I want prompt from user. Okay, and I have to do the sum. Okay, so in next I will make a check. Let's say if this is a condition, I'm checking that prompt input equal to null. Okay, if it's null, what I want, it should return console.log cancel. Okay, I want cancel. Else what I want, else rest thing will run. Okay, now it will check the number that user uh, put it inside the prompt, it is positive or negative. So for make that check, I need one if condition as well inside else. So I'm putting if, and inside if I'll check prompt input should be greater than or equals to 0 for positive condition. Okay, in this case I can if it's greater than 0 or equals to 0, then what I want to make a loop. Okay, to make a loop, it's a for loop, so it will take three things inside. Listen guys, it will take three things inside. First is initialize value. Okay, second is ending value, and third is increment or decrement, right? So basically the change. So let's say I'm giving let I equals to 0. I want my things should be started from 0. Okay, and I want it should be uh, less than equals to prompt input. Okay, okay. Firstly, I have to also make one thing here. Uh, the thing is, here prompt maybe number or maybe the string. It depends on user. User will enter the string or will enter the number. So I have to check that thing also. So for checking that, not checking, I can store that value in number, right? So I can write const n, let's say I'm taking n, and number c, and I'm storing this thing prompt, user prompt, inside this. Okay, now I will write here n. Okay, initialize value, right, ending value, and increment value. Okay, now what I want to store this value in some variable. Okay, see, let's say I'm taking sum equals to 0. Initial values for sum is 0, and after for loop I want sum should be equals to okay, sum plus I. Okay, sum plus I. So what it will do, see here, what it will do, it will firstly the user will make an input. Okay, then it will check. If it's null, then it will cancel. Okay, if the value is null, it will cancel. In else condition, it will check the user has given the value in number format or a string format. If it's number, then it will go for this, right? It will check the prompt is should be greater than equals to 0. it should not be the prompt, it should be n. Okay, now this is correct. Now I have taken one variable which is initialize with 0. Okay, and after that I run this loop, for loop, and initialize with 0, right? And let's say if I given this value as n with some, let's say 5. Okay, so it will starting with 0 and ending with 5, and it will increment, right? Every time it will increment, and the sum value will be, sum is 0, so 0 plus 0, which is 0. Next it will go here, I is less than equals to n, next value will be 1, and it will check again 0 plus 1, because this time value is 0, it's 1, some value is 1, so now it will store here that some value, right? Again the loop will run and it will increment this value with 1. Now this time it's 2, so what it will do, the sum value is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, so it will do this thing like this. Okay, so next what we can do, we can console this. Okay, and now we will check here. Now I've given, let's say 4. Okay, we will refresh this. It says sum is not defined. I have to run this inside. Now we will check. It's cancel. See, it's giving me cancel because I run it as cancel. So I'm giving some value, let's say 4. See, it's giving 10. Why it's giving 10? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, and plus 4, that is 10. Okay, see, the result is here. Let's say this time I'm taking some less value, that is 3. Okay, so it will give the value as 6. See, it's coming. So this is the thing for sum. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay.